I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Thanks for joining us on HTSN with a look at your forecast. The past 2 days have been pretty quiet with sunshine and temperatures that have been in the 40s. Well, today's going to be a pretty active day of weather across central Indiana. Many of you this morning may have heard the rumbles of thunder, seen the lightning as the warm front worked its way through. So here's some of the hazards we have throughout the course of the day today. Obviously, the snow started to melt the past 2 days. It will continue to do so today with temperatures that'll top off in the mid to upper 50s. As the cold front approaches later on this evening, the winds will start to pick up to about 45 miles per hour. Those will be non-thunderstorm related winds, and then when the thunderstorms do come through with the passage of the cold front, some of them could be on the severe side, and winds could be over 60 miles per hour. And we also have the chance of flooding, obviously, in the forecast, as we'll put another inch or so of rain down here across central Indiana. We have numerous flood warnings that are in effect across much of the state. You saw those in the shaded areas of green there. A wind advisory also goes into effect as we go into the evening hours tonight and into the day tomorrow. Even once the cold front goes through later on tonight, the winds will continue to be very gusty behind that front heading into your Friday morning. So today is mild but windy. That's the good news. The severe threat is primarily only between probably about 6 p.m. and 11 p.m. We'll show you that in TrueCast, and then as I mentioned, tomorrow it does turn colder and wind gusts could be up near 40 miles per hour throughout the course of the day. As far as the risk potential, the Storm Prediction Center has shifted the slight risk across the southern half of the state. Yesterday it was the entire state of Indiana, and this is where the best potential for severe weather will be. Damaging wind is still the main threat, although an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. The best chance of that, though, would be, I think, probably extreme southern Indiana. So here's how it plays out. Throughout the afternoon, it's mild, it's breezy, but there will be opportunities to get outside with just cloudy skies and a few spotty showers. The actual cold front is off to our west still at 6 o'clock. It comes across the state as we go throughout the 9 o'clock hour, and that's when we have the chance of seeing some very gusty thunderstorms. And by 11 o'clock, it's off to our east in Ohio. And at that point, the severe weather threat will be over. And it's possible as this line of storms comes through, you may not see any lightning or hear any thunder, but it's the wind that makes the thunderstorm severe, not the lightning potential. And then by tomorrow morning, temperatures will be hovering right around freezing. We'll eventually warm up to 40 tomorrow for the afternoon high. It does remain very windy, so it'll feel colder than that. Then temperatures back into the 30s for Sunday and Monday, and highs only in the 20s by Tuesday and Wednesday.